I believe in black people. I believe that every black person is a human being. I believe that every black person has a right to dream, has a right to have aspirations, and should be allowed to live their lives in freedom. I believe that every black citizen in America should be treated just the same as every white person. I do not believe in prejudice. I think it's a very terrible thing. I believe that blacks should be allowed to enjoy this life that they live. I believe that no black should be made to go through the evil of discrimination. No black should ever question themselves. No black should be ever made to question their skin or their color or their race. I believe that everything that is gotten freely in the world, black people should be entitled to it too. I believe that I should be able to walk the streets freely without being scared for my life, without thinking or wondering if I might get back home safe and sound. I believe that I should be able to see a white policeman and have faith that they are there to protect me. I believe I should not be scared of the law. I believe I should be treated as a human because I am human. I believe in black people. I know that they are great. I know they would be great. I know they have potential. I believe that someday every black person out there would be able to embrace themselves, embrace their skin, and embrace their potential. I believe in black people. 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 I can't breathe.